certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Dr. Samuel Lee for ministering to us the Word of God during the Thanksgiving celebration 2013 and in grateful recognition of your faithful service in doing the work of the Lord. May the Lord our God continue to bless you and all your works and everything you put your hand. Given this 24th day of November 2013 at Ecclesia Cyprus. It's a handmade. And may I call Pastor Carlos, our beloved pastor. We want to give you something. It's a certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Pastor Carlos Villanueva Jr. in grateful recognition of your continuing service in the Lord. The Lord will bless you for giving your time and effort in carrying your flocks. Given this 24th day of November 2013 at Nicosia, Cyprus. Beating.
Not beating the blocks.
And may I call our beloved Pastora, Pastor Rodel. Certificate of appreciation. And in grateful recognition of your continuing service in the Lord will bless you for giving your time and effort in caring and beating your flocks. Given this 24th day of November 2013 at Nicosia, Cyprus. God bless you. Here is another very nice picture of the family. God bless you. It was painted by one of our sisters. Talagang may painter dito sa Nicosia. Yeah. God bless you. And may I call our pastora from Limassol, Pastora Rhea. We have something to give you. God bless you. May I call representative from Paralimni, Sister, nagkaganyan lang sila. Sister Ami, thank you very much. And our sister from Larnaca, Sister Sonia, wala na ganyan. Thank you very much for your presence. So, God bless you all. May I call our sister from Bethel Church. We have something to give you. Wala na si Pastor Ami, si Samang dito. Thank you very much for your